What the fuck, man? Alright, so didn't film a whole lot yesterday. But this is day 2. Yesterday I started on the other side. It was a lot of trial and error, trying to figure out what to do, what not to do. Finally unbolted the upper control arm, that's what helped me out. Some reason the spring compressor was just not doing it. I don't know what the fuck the deal was, but eventually we popped it out. So we go over to this side, we got everything bolted up on that side. Go to this side, we're having hella issues. We're like, what the fuck, like this side should be easier. Nope. The problem was, since the other coilover was bolted up completely, the sway bar was tightened up, so we couldn't get this one low enough to get this side out. So finally, after struggling for another like 2-3 hours today, yeah, probably like 2 hours, called up my cousin. He gave me some tips, jacked up the car completely, and then unbolted the top of the coilover over there. That finally gave me enough space to get this fucking piece of shit out. I still use a spring compressor, but god damn it, it should not be this fucking hard. Everybody else makes it look so easy. Maybe I just should stop working on cars, but god damn, we're almost there. I gotta get ready for work in like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna throw this coilover in and put this bitch on the ground. And then the ECU came in, so we might start it once it's on the ground. Fucking A, what a bitch, man. Alright, time to put this shit on. I need to hurry up, I gotta go to work. Still not gonna drive this motherfucker to work more than likely, just because I've only done the fronts. Tired, I ain't got no time. I can't test the car enough to know if it's gonna be good enough to drive, but I can bolt this shit on. So of course it's got to go with the BC logo out, right? Because that, otherwise any other way is wrong. Oh, this is a pain in the ass with one person. Good shit, good shit. I'm just gonna find these bolts, put this shit back in while there's no coilover in it. That'll probably be the best way to do it, I would imagine. It would just go in, that'd be great. Alright, brother help me fucking bolt this bitch in. Okay, gotta lock it. Come on now. Spin wrenches. Shit the hard way. I always like to do shit the hard way. I don't know why. Ah, you bitch. start all over. Cool, cool. Well, I should have been getting ready for work like an hour ago. It's a fucking bolt, come on. Closing through the rear. Good shit. Don't drop the bolt. Don't drop the bolt, baby. Don't drop the bolt. Drop the bolt, baby. Don't be fucking cross-threaded, I swear to God. Shit looks a little cross-threaded, to be honest. Just slightly. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's fucking day 3 up in this bitch. We finally got that coilover unstuck yesterday, and then I had to go to work, but I threw it in, and then when I got home, I bolted everything together, torqued everything down, and basically got it ready to just throw on the wheels and then go for a test drive after I plug in the ECU. So that's gonna happen right now. I ain't got much time. I'm gonna take it on a drive and then see if I can get started on the rears, but wish me luck. All right, first time fucking lowering the car, wheels are on, plug that torque down. Couple 2x4s just to give it some height, because I don't think it's gonna fucking release. It's right on top of the jack. That fucking radiator support right here. It's got some give. But I might need a little more height. Fuck. Alright, I got one more 2x4. Fucking close. Now I'm gonna need that other one. Blow your car, they said. That'll be fun, they said. Man, what a pain in the ass. Should have got bags. shit. It's not even on the ground yet. Fucking cut out. Not even on the ground yet. Oh, that motherfucker tugging. Look at how high up I am. There's no way. There's no way. Alright, let's see if I can jack it up from the sides. Shit. I realized from this angle, it's basically fucked up. It's insane. Throw some 305s on the back, make it come alive. All right, this is gonna be the first test drive with the new ECU. So, like I said, hard downshift from second to first. So if it doesn't do that, we're solid. On top of that, I just put front coilovers on, so it's a little weird to be this sloped, and oh my god, it fucking rubs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it fucking rubs. Alright, yeah, there's no fucking way. I barely made it out of my driveway. Oh, hell no. Well, there goes my fender liner. That's good shit. Oh, hell no. Definitely, yeah, it's definitely going back up a little bit. Scratched the fucking lip like a motherfucker. Not that big a deal, but yeah, this thing's going back up a little bit. Holy shit. Alright, unfortunately, this is a bit of a mix of two different videos because of the coilovers and the ECU. Don't rub, don't rub. Oh. Oh my god. Well, I'll tell you what, it shifts just fine. Backup camera works. Oh god. Oh god. I feel like those Japanese videos of dudes like backing up 45 times. Even though I'm not that low. Oh my god. Alright, first time getting up to speed though. Shifted. Oh, it's beautiful. It didn't rub. It didn't fucking rub. Oh god. Get it up to speed again. A little bit faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No rub. No transmission issue anymore. It's not giving me any signs of a hard downshift anymore. So I'm pretty happy with it. I just got that fucking rub. Oh god. Oh, that shit's fucking tugging, dude. Oh yeah, no, this thing is fucking scraping like a motherfucker. Look at that. Bitch. Yeah, I scratched up my lip. It's mostly just a plastic. And then this little tab right here, that's probably the majority of the noise, but it is hitting lip. Making the fucking fender just a little bit. I'm gonna try to pull that off. See if I can fix that, because it doesn't rub on the other side. It doesn't rub on this side. I think I just fucked up coming out of the driveway. I came in too hard and I pulled it out. So if I could fix it, I should be solid after that. But it definitely still needs to go up a little bit. It's too fucking low.